Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to transfer money from your Paysafecard to PayPal in 2025. If you're a digital nomad, freelancer, or just someone looking to manage funds smoothly, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and hassle-free. First off, note that Paysafecard doesn't allow direct transfers to PayPal, but there are reliable workarounds we'll cover. Start by ensuring you have a verified Paysafecard account and a linked PayPal account. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Paysafecard account on their official website or app. Check your balance to confirm how much you can transfer. Remember, Paysafecard is a prepaid option, so funds are ready to go. Step 2. The key workaround is using an intermediary service or exchange platform. In 2025, popular options include services like e-wallets or third-party exchangers that support Paysafecard. Look for reputable ones with good reviews to convert your Paysafecard funds into a transferable format, like a bank transfer or digital currency. Be aware of any fees, typically around 1 to 5%, and always check for the latest regulations. Step 3. Once your funds are in a transferable form, log into your PayPal account. Go to the Add Money section and select the option to link your bank or use the intermediary's method. Follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. This might take 1 to 3 business days, so patience is key. Step 4. After the transfer, double-check your PayPal balance and verify the transaction details. If everything looks good, you're all set. Pro tip: always use secure connections and enable two-factor authentication on both accounts to protect your money. Wrapping up, transferring from Paysafecard to PayPal in 2025 is easier with the right steps, but stay updated on any changes to policies. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.